Hey everyone, I made it into Target, so I'm finding new items in my Target dollar spot. I don't know about you guys, but my Target dollar spot's always lame. Okay, so I have an egg one, a bunny one, mainly bunny egg, of course they're 5. Okay, these should be 3. They're 3? Okay, because they're just like chuck it and, you know, you're cool. But it's so weird when I see them so expensive. These are for only $3, you guys. Can't go wrong with that. I see the chicken and bunny. I don't see a duck yet. Okay, that's kind of cute. The hen basket. Okay, Target. That's cute. Oh, what do we have over here? A little, you know, floral. We have chick sunglasses. Like good for little children. They are 100% UV protection. Oh, got like a little jewelry tray of a snail. And mugs, of course. The Shamrock Man. More chicks and bunnies in there. Stuff for your egg if you want to be fancy. Okay, make your own body scrub or bath salt, whatever. That's kind of cool. Bunny plant figures. Oh, okay. Oh, you know what I really want to do? I want to do the egg. The egg. You guys remember doing that in school? The egg, half egg, and you put grass in it. Happy Easter. You never did that? $3. And they have the chicken.
We grew stuff in the bottom of
those are 3
bottles when you used to yank the black thing out the bottom.
Oh, I didn't do that. I did the egg one. And that's $3 for 2. And more Shamrock. Oh, is that the lid? Like the little leprechaun trap. Trap that man. Those are kind of cute. Oh, look at this. You get 3 in here. These are glass, so you gotta be careful with that. You're gonna let your kid use it. Pancake molds, more Shamrock. Flower stems. Okay, there's some new stuff today. And then here's like all the fun stuff, like for children, which is like my favorite area to look at anyway. You know, the adult world, you know, don't be an adult so fast. Oh, that's like leftover from Halloween. And they do have the peep ones, and they're $1. What are these? Jelly? Crayola bath slime soap. Oh gosh, I wonder how well that works. They do have the bubbles here, and the carrot, a little duckling. I hope that's $1. Okay, yeah. Play-Doh by Silly Scent. This is slime. Is it Play-Doh slime? I'm not too sure. They have the sand too. Okay, that's good for an Easter basket. These are little heart ones for Love Day. I'm gonna walk over here. Peppa Pig, Gabby's Dollhouse, Mickey Mouse. Okay, yeah. These are always good to have. Oh, here's the Peeps bath bomb. I don't see the Peeps like lip balm or anything. Peppa Pig. We got Mickey Mouse too. Oh yeah. Okay, these egg ones are really cute, I think. Cupid's bed and breakfast. Oh, and over here, you guys, I think I saw something with bunnies. Fresh cut flowers. Okay, yeah. Cute stuff in the baby department. $11. So if you do have a baby, I want to go to carters.com. okay, they're having like a major sale there right now. Some of these are only $4. We have So Happy It's Easter. Oh, that's cute. These are $7. Oh, Oh, how stinking cute. The little panda one. That's adorable. Oh my gosh. Are these gloves for them to not scratch their face? I love that. Look at that, so tiny. Cute swimwear for our babies. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, this is all my cat and Jack. I think it's like sun protection. I'm trying to see. It doesn't really tell. Oh yeah, UPF 50. Okay, these are perfect for the summer here, springtime. If you're spending a lot of time outdoors. Beach towels, you get 2 for $10. It says quick dry on it. They have stripy ones, a rainbow. Yeah, I guess I'll call it rainbow. One with the watermelon stripe. And these are 15. Oh, it's so weird to see the transitioning into spring. Just because I want winter, fall to last here longer. You know? Just because I like to wear long sleeves and a lot of hoodies. And even during the summer, I'll be wearing black all summer. I don't know why. Okay, these are 25, of course. And these are 79, the hand knit bed throw. I'm not too sure, honestly, what's new in Target. Because I don't really shop at Target. But you know, every now and then I can find cute stuff. But anything that's new decor, I wouldn't know if it's new. Look at him. Chewbacca. He's just a little friend to lay around. That's cute. I have Minecraft. Of course, Mickey. I wonder why they don't have like a C-3PO. There's Minnie up there. And the child. Okay, so this basket is $40 for a kid room. Wow, it's really, really pricey. You know what? Target, they still have their NECA, but they put NECA in their toy department. Normally they have it against the wall. We got Arnold up in here. With his little wig on. I haven't seen that one.
You got the Nightmare Soldiers there.
Elf. Sonic. Garfield's down there.
They got the wolf. That's
cool.
That's cool.
Wish it wasn't so dark. A lot of glare. You can't even see it. It's so much glare. Oh, there's Ralphie. Ralphie. Gargoyles. I remember that show. Used to watch it all the time. Yeah. I never see that one here.
Yeah, Hudson and Bronx are two of my favorites.
Okay, this one is kind of cool. They have Daffy here, and you could move his eyes too. You know, the little goofy one? Oh my god, that's like really cute. Okay, these are bunnies. $25. Does that go up in price? These squishmallows? This one's 20. Who is it? Huh, it's like a pancake stack. Howard the Duck. These are 13 here.
In April's blog, I share the key principles and rules to help you navigate the difficult times, to help you find
I just bought that for my daughter, Coraline. Oh, the creep show. Yeah, I think we've seen that one. It's the same one. Yeah.
Hi Target shoppers, my name is Claire Saffin. I'm a cookbook author and I'm so excited to show you my new cookbook. It's called What's for Dessert. This book is filled with simple and streamlined desserts. Some of my favorites are the tiramisu ice cream cakes. This book answers that all-important question, what's for dessert, over 100 different ways. I hope you check it out and you can find it at Target.
Oh, there's a hair of the purple crown. We see this at Sam's Club. Level 2. Thai Travel. The Good Egg and the Talent Show. What is this book? Spooky? Oh, it looks really interesting. Looks like something I would pick up if I was a kid.
They changed the name of the book to match the movie.
Okay, the Easter books, biscuits. Oh, do you guys remember that show? Was it Noggin or Nina and Stars? I don't think they have that show anymore. Is that Buster? It looks like Buster from Arthur. Oh, there's The Office. I feel like my Target doesn't get good stuff compared to, you know, what I see on social media. You know how we all have that one store? We're like, oh man, they got the best stuff in their store. Not my Target. These are actually quite nice. And again, you can find something really similar at the at-home store. I think this is it. Oh, you know what? Very similar to the one at Sam's Club. So it looks like these pillows are $15. The bunny one. Okay, this is kind of cool. Look at, they have Minnie Mouse lashes. They're $7. Only one here in Target. Okay, down here, watermelon foaming gel wash. Radiant. What's this one? Oh, shave oil. Oh, that might be a good one. Coconut lime. I never tried these. Sandals are out on Cat and Jack, so it looks like they're $10. Some have the back strap. They kind of have like that croc looking like. Those are $12. Plenty of sandals for children. And on the wall, okay, let's look over here real quick. Some of these sandals look like the ones from Five Below. I've learned my lesson. House shoes, Five Below. $10. Not the hot pink one, like a marble one. Oh gosh, this is like 90 vibes right here. Look, they have the pink one too. So these are $15 by Wild Fable. Oh, look at those funky prints on top. How much are these? These are $15. They all see through. Oh, there's a heart one. We have lime. Okay, that's kind of cute. Do you get top and bottom? You do. They're $20. Here's a butterfly print. And orange. I love that all orange one. You have your pink robes, tops, and these are velvet, which I think are really cool because this is, I like that green. Let's see, they're $15. They're cute. This is like going out top. Kind of like a cargo sweatpants. They're wide leg. They're $25. And we have your shorts. Now I saw this set over here. Okay, look at, you have the shorts, the bottom, and the cardigan to match. Maybe if you're gonna run your errand, you could wear that. They also have a purple one, but I don't see the cardigan for that. Okay, this is kind of cute. Look at the top, and then they have the matching pants. I really like the pants though. They're see-through, but if you know, you could wear like nude bike shorts or some tights under it, but I like that. That's perfect for spring. It's so hot. Vacation. Oh gosh, everything is out here. Ah, so crazy. Ooh, it's cute. Cherry. Look at the like crochet one. Many options to choose from. All right, you guys. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in this Target location. Swimsuit season is here. Looks like a big cutout one. Oh my gosh. No, I'm not ready. I'm honestly not ready for 110, 115. And last year, it lasted longer. Like, the heat was just like terrible. Guys, please stay safe. And I will see all of you in the next one. That's cute.